English Hebrew. Learn past to be, I was.
הייתי.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll make the Hebrew past of to be your superpower, short, sweet, and with a few laughs. By the end, you'll say, I was.
הייתי.
You were, M.S.
אתה היית.
He was.
הוא היה.
She was.
היא הייתה.
It was.
זה היה.
We were.
היינו.
You, plural, were.
הייתם.
They were.
היו.
Your goal today. You'll master 8 tiny forms and use them in real lines. Ready? Say each form clearly, then plug it into a quick sentence. Keep it playful and loud enough to scare yesterday. Quick forms, the speed run. Echo after me and feel the rhythm. I was.
הייתי.
You were, M.S.
אתה היית.
He was.
הוא היה.
She was.
היא הייתה.
It was.
זה היה.
We were.
היינו.
You were, plural.
הייתם.
They were.
היו.
Mini dialogues. Let's drop them into real, friendly lines. A. Where were you yesterday? B. I was at home.
הייתי בבית.
A. You were early. B. True, you were, M.S. on time.
אתה היית בזמן.
A. How was the movie? B. It was great.
זה היה מצוין.
A. And Dan? B. He was tired.
הוא היה עייף.
A. What about Sarah? B. She was at home.
היא הייתה בבית.
A. Where were you all? B. We were at the park.
היינו בפארק.
A. I heard you were amazing. To group, B. Thanks. You, plural, were loud.
הייתם רועשים.
But fun. A. And the neighbors? B. They were happy.
היו שמחים.
Call and response drill. I cue English, you say Hebrew. Then I confirm. Go. Say, I was at home. Answer.
הייתי בבית.
Say, you were, M.S. right. Answer.
אתה היית צודק.
Say, he was late. Answer.
הוא היה מאוחר.
Say, she was busy. Answer.
היא הייתה עסוקה.
Say, it was cold. Answer.
זה היה קר.
Say, we were tired. Answer.
היינו עייפים.
Say, you were, plural, amazing. Answer.
הייתם מדהימים.
Say, they were there. Answer.
היו שם.
Culture tip. The present sneaks away. Fun fact you'll love. In Hebrew, the verb to be often disappears in the present, she happy equals, but in the past it shows up exactly as you learned. I was.
הייתי.
We were.
היינו.
Etc. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, then I reveal the Hebrew. Q1. Translate, he was at home. A.
הוא היה בבית.
Q2. Translate, we were early. A.
היינו מוקדם.
Q3. Translate, it was a good idea. A.
זה היה רעיון טוב.
Q4. Translate, they were friends. A.
היו חברים.
10-second challenge. Your turn to shine. Tell a 2-line story using any 3 forms, for example, I was, she was, it was. Then add one group line like we were or they were. Go. Wrap up and thanks. You did great today. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these 8 forms. Say them while making coffee or brag to your past self. For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.